Hello guys, this is Luben Johnson from Luben TV guys. Today I'm back with another video tutorial on how to build a BMX motorcycle guys. And guys, today I'm gonna guide you step by step how to build something like this. So if you want to build something like this, just stick around and watch the video to the end guys. If you're new in my channel, I'm Luben and I teach how to build many kind of motorcycle guys. So if that sounds interesting to you, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you're gonna be getting amazing videos like this. And today we are in the course of building a BMX motorcycle. And what makes this course so interesting, the course is absolutely free. So all you want to do, just hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you're going to be notified anytime I drop the next episode guys. So kindly, if you are coming in this course for the first time, please just go down in the description. I'm going to leave the episode 1 in the description. If you don't follow up the episode 1, you're going to be really confusing in this video guys. So just go back and watch episode 1 if you are stepping in this video for your first time guys. So without further ado, let's kick into the video guys. So this is where we stopped in the previous video. So today we're going to start from here guys. So you make sure you seal this bike body with full-time welding guys. If you don't have welding skills, you have to find someone that can assist you in this level, because you have to weld it very strong. If you don't weld this thing strong, you're gonna get issue when you got the job done. And now you drill some holes of the wires. When the wire gonna pass through, you have to drill those holes and you have to drill them nice. Guys, we're gonna use this. This is the rough some paper. We're gonna clean up the. We're gonna use it to clean up the filler to make it smooth. Okay, guys. So now let's do that, guys. And guys, now you are gonna do the painting guys, and you make sure you do this painting very clean. If you don't have the skills, take it to someone that can help you, and make sure you are using the original paint so that the work gonna turn up very clean. And for me, I'm using auto base guys. And when I'm done painting the first coat, I'm gonna put on my sticker, my logo on the bike, and then now I'm gonna do a clear. Yeah, when I'm painting up clear, some people call this thing shiner. The bike now gonna look very shiny. So guys, episode 2 gonna stop from here. So by the end of this course, we're gonna build something like this. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you're gonna be notified anytime I drop episode 3. And guys, don't forget to share up the video guys. Thanks.